that a proposal?
No. You bought a house too quick with James when you have only been together 1 year. You've had a pregnancy scare. Your last video made more than 2K. Your family fairly rich.
Ooh. Wow, it is so uncomfortable to sit down in denim shorts. Look at my thighs. I might just take my shorts off.
I don't think you had the shorts on.
I've got my pyjama shorts. Oh, that is so much more comfortable. Oh, I love this background. It looks so cool. I'm really nervous.
Don't, you'll be fine.
Right, so, hi guys. As you can see, I've switched up the background a bit and let me know what you think because I actually think it looks really cool. I don't know whether this light is a bit distracting. It does actually say dream big, but you can't see all of it. But I think it looks pretty cool. Maybe I should get something else to go on this side. And then behind me, I've just got a giant lipstick and my play buttons. But I thought I would sit down and film this video because it's a quick one to film. It's a hot summer's day, so I don't want to be sitting here for hours. And also, I have been loving these videos. So Byron from the channel TBH Byron actually created this challenge. And I've seen every single person, every single YouTuber that I follow has done this video. So I thought that I would go ahead and do it. So I've actually got James off camera and he's going to be answering, not like answering, he's going to be asking me or reading me assumptions. And we're going to put a timer on for 10 minutes and I have to answer everything in that 10 minutes, honestly. And I'm really nervous.
Don't be.
I'm really nervous.
Don't be, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Right, you ready? I'm going at it. 3, 2.
Tell me when you put a timer on.
I'm putting the timer on.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
3, 2, 1. Right, here we go. Here we go. You don't want kids.
No, that's not true. I do want kids. I would love to have kids, but not now, in the future.
You're embarrassed of your parents, that's why you don't show them in your videos.
No, I feel bad that that's what that person said. No, I'm not embarrassed of my parents. I love my parents, but they're just a bit more private and I would rather keep them off camera. They would rather stay off camera, I think. So yeah, no, it's not because I'm embarrassed of them at all.
You were popular at school?
Absolutely not. I mean, I wasn't like unpopular. I had a lot of friends and well, not like a lot of friends, I wasn't friends with everyone, but as in I had a nice group of friends and we're actually all still friends today, which is really nice. There's about like 11 or 12 of us. We definitely weren't the popular group though. We were kind of like a bit weird, but also we were all like really close friends and didn't really care. And we're still weird and it's fine and it's great, but no, I was not popular at school.
You get paid lots for sponsorships?
Ooh, yes, I personally think that YouTubers do get paid too much for sponsorships. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I do actually think that it's a bit silly.
Right, here's a saucy one. You like to be the dominant one in the relationship.
Ooh.
As in, like, you want to be the one that has, like, the trousers on.
Kinda, I'm a bit of a control freak. But I feel like it's pretty split. Don't you think it's pretty split?
Yeah, I think it's
We
fine.
both, like, do our share, but I can sometimes be a bit of a, like, perfectionist and always like to do things myself sometimes.
You bought your house outright?
No, I didn't. I did not buy my house outright. I've got a mortgage. I just realised I can't edit it, so all of like the awkward silences I can't edit out.
You only started YouTube for the money?
No, I started when I was 18 and at the time, well, for like a year that I first did YouTube, I earned like pretty much no money from it. I think my first paycheck from YouTube was £40 and no, I didn't start it for the money. I started it for a hobby. I mean, obviously, when everyone starts YouTube these days, I think the dream was to be like some kind of makeup artist. I wanted to be a makeup artist and earn money from that. And obviously I knew that people like Zoella and Tanya Burr and Alfie Days and everyone did it as their job, but I never thought that that would be me. Like I honestly never thought that I would get to that point. So I just did it for a bit of fun because I thought it looked like fun.
You regret becoming an influencer?
No, absolutely not. It has fully changed my life and I mean, there's definitely some parts of it that I don't like as much, but I am so incredibly lucky. Like, I would not change it and I don't regret it. It's literally been life-changing, so why would I regret that?
You have earned over 5k on a brand deal?
Ooh, yes, I have.
It's quite hard. It's quite hard to actually find. You taking out merch?
What does that mean? Bringing out merch, I guess. Kind of, potentially. My Skinny Dip collection that's coming out soon is sort of like merch because there's some clothing in there, so I guess, but it's not merch because it's like with another brand. Just ask me any.
I'm literally, one says you're very vanilla.
I mean,
Vanilla is a quality flavour.
True.
My favourite flavour is vanilla. Literally, I don't care. People say it. I love vanilla. Oh, Jesus. It's quite hard because I'm just trying to find...
Just any of them.
Oh, you pregnant?
I hope not.
I hope not either. You force yourself to film videos.
Sometimes I do, I guess. A lot of the times these days, like if I'm having a down day or whatever, I will not just film. But a lot of the time in the past, when I was trying to stick to a strict upload schedule, I would do Monday, Wednesday, Friday religiously. I would a lot of the time force myself to film even when I like wasn't really feeling up to it. And I think you can kind of tell in those videos, I would get comments like, so if you're not your normal self today. So yeah, sometimes, but not really anymore. I just kind of do it when I want.
You have shade with some YouTuber or brand.
Oh, yeah, kinda. Did they say to name who?
No, it just said you have shade with some YouTuber / brand.
Well, I have actually spoken about it before. I did have like a little bit of beef with this TikTok girl, but it's all totally resolved now. It was accidental beef. And in terms of brands, I guess not too bad. It's resolved as well. Everything's fine.
You are considering going vegan.
I'd love to, maybe like in the future when there's like a lot more vegan options, but because I am so fussy and I've been brought up all my life eating meat, I know that that is not an excuse. I'm not excusing myself whatsoever, but yeah, maybe in the future, but for now, I don't think I could do it.
Clingy in a relationship.
Probably a little bit. What do you reckon, James?
Nah, you're good.
No, I think I'm okay.
Yeah,
I was extra clingy when it was like during the time when we were apart in lockdown, because well, as in like I was messaging all the time and just kept crying all the time. But no, I don't think I'm too bad. I'm just affectionate. I'm just loving.
You're fine. You low key hate attention.
Kinda, yeah. Which is, I know is a really weird thing to say when I'm putting myself out on the internet and filming videos. But in like public situations and stuff, I literally just want to blend into the background. So that was one reason why I stopped colouring my hair, because every time I went out places, like I went out to the supermarket, I feel like people would just stare at me and I actually hated it. So yeah, I guess in some ways you could say that I like attention because I'm making YouTube videos and I like reading everyone's comments and stuff, but I don't want to draw unnecessary attention towards myself, if that makes sense. Because it makes me feel anxious.
You have had a bad fan experience.
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I'm pretty sure everyone that I've met has been really lovely. The only times which, well, they've not been bad, but I feel bad is when people start getting like upset and they start getting like really nervous or they start crying. Then I feel really bad because I'm like, honestly, I'm just a boring person. You don't need to get so worked up about like meeting me. But no, I don't think I've had a bad experience.
Oh God, so a lot of them are just all the same.
Yeah.
Same thing. So it's just like, I don't actually know. You don't like pineapple on pizza.
Oh, that's a lie. I like pineapple on pizza.
Oh,
Controversial, but I like it.
You like helping James with skincare?
Yeah, kinda. I kinda do, don't I?
Yeah, you're always trying to get me doing skincare.
I am. Sometimes
no,
we do
I've
a cheeky pore strip.
Oh,
you have to scroll all the way back down.
Scroll all the way down.
No.
I accidentally went off.
We've probably only got like 2 minutes left.
Hate iPhones.
Oh.
Hate iPhones.
I don't like how my hair looks in this video. I can't.
Your last video made more than 2K.
I wish it did. I wish it did. I don't actually know what it made. I've seen other people like asking that. Assumptions.
You're secretly a cult member, by the way. We've only got 2 minutes.
Cult member.
Cult member, so you're a part of a cult.
No.
You rarely go clubbing.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, obviously no one's going clubbing at the moment, but yeah, it's quite a rare occasion that in the normal world I would go clubbing. It was only really when I went to visit my friends at uni, which like I do enjoy a very occasional night out, but not very often because I'd much rather be at home, to be honest.
You aren't a people person.
True, probably. Yeah, I'm definitely not a people person. I would not. Would you say I'm a people person?
Sorry, I'm literally sitting down and trying to think of another question. Or
No.
get another question.
I wouldn't say I'm a people person. I try and avoid people as much as I can.
You got bullied often in school as a child?
No, not often. I did experience a little bit of bullying with one particular boy who made fun of me for having bad skin and also called me a fat chav. I had a fringe cut at one point and yeah, he used to call me names, but no, I wouldn't say I was like heavily bullied.
Fat chav.
I know.
Oh, that's
Terrible.
disgusting.
He's
Absolutely
watching
disgusting.
this. You know who you are.
Oh, you don't like reading?
True, I don't read books. I've probably read about 10 books in my life.
Right, your parents spoiled you.
No, they didn't actually. We were actually me and my brother growing up definitely weren't spoiled. We saved up all our pound pocket money. I know that some people don't get any pocket money, but if we wanted to buy something, we would buy it. Our parents never would just go out and buy stuff for us. We never went on any fancy holidays or anything. But I'm glad that I grew up like that because now I'm really, really good at saving money. So
you're a man.
I'm a man.
Apparently.
No, I'm not a man. I'm a woman.
I hope not.
I'm a woman. Sorry.
Oh Jesus. You're planning something with Revolution.
Potentially, maybe.
You moved out so you can start a family.
No, not now. I don't want a family now, but obviously in the future, hopefully, we'll have a family. But no, that's not the reason I wanted to move out.
Your ex cheated.
I hope not. But who knows? I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
There are some beauty YouTubers you really dislike.
Not that I can think
5.
of. Oh no!
4,
Quick, ask one
3,
more.
2, 1. You're adopted.
No, I don't. I'm not adopted. Mum, Dad, anything to tell me? No, I'm not adopted. Not that there's anything wrong at all with being adopted.
Nothing wrong with being adopted at all.
Should we answer a couple of more? A couple more.
Let's add an extra 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes. Proper quick fire.
Okay.
Proper quick fire.
Rapid
Right,
fire.
go. You are quite talkative.
No, not really.
You watch Jeffree Star.
Yeah, I do.
You are a human being.
Yes, I am a human being.
You're actually 17.
No,
No.
I'm 23. I might look 17, but I'm 23.
Scared of change.
Yes, I am. I'm not very good with change, to be honest, but I'm actually dealing with it a lot better than I thought I would. I'm really happy in this house.
You're a makeup addict.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah. Look at my collection.
You smoke weed.
No, I haven't smoked weed.
You and James don't fight at all.
We do fight sometimes. We bicker. We bicker quite a lot.
We don't full on fight.
No, we don't have a punch up or raging arguments.
Just the
but
same thing what every
yeah.
relationship has.
Yeah, exactly.
You have disagreements.
Yeah, we
like
just
that.
have little
we get
bickers.
over it
But
very
we
quick.
literally get over it in 5 minutes, and
Yeah,
you're just like, I'm sorry, and I'm
Uh,
I'm sorry too.
I'm always the first one to say sorry.
That is true. He's good at saying sorry.
Yeah. You're a daddy's girl.
Yeah.
You're more confident on camera than in person.
100,000,000%. 100%.
You're not that close to your brother.
No, I'm really close to my brother actually. We get on really, really well, and we talk quite a lot, most days to be honest.
30 seconds. Your family are fairly rich.
No, I wouldn't say so. I don't think so, no.
You didn't want James to move in with you.
Well, that's a lie, a fat lie.
Big lie. You're not an argumentative person.
No, not really. I can be, but not very often, to be honest. I'm more just you know what, you do you. I'm just going to sit back and, yeah.
You're a fussy eater.
Yes, I'm a very fussy eater, but you guys knew that already.
Regretted not going to college.
Well, I didn't go to college. I'm going to finish answering this question and then I guess that'll be it. I did A-levels, but my school had it went from, what's the age? 16 to 18. No, it went all the way through. As in what I'm trying to say is I didn't have to change to go to a different college. I stayed on at my school's sixth form. And yeah, no, I didn't regret not going to
Do you
college.
want to carry on?
I'm guessing they mean uni, but no, I don't regret dropping out of uni.
You ready? 30 seconds. Proper.
Okay, we're doing another 30 seconds.
30
Jesus.
seconds. That's it. This is actually quite fun.
It is fun, isn't it?
It is quite fun. You ready?
Last
Right,
30
go.
seconds.
You bought a house too quick with James when you have only been together 1 year.
No, we've nearly been together 2 years in October.
Nearly 2
Well,
years.
that's not nearly, is
It
it?
was
But
always
also, I didn't buy a house with James. It was always my plan to buy a house, so.
You're a girly girl.
No, not well. Yeah. A lot of aspects of me are. I mean, look at my background, but there are aspects of me that aren't. Like, I was quite a tomboy when I was growing up. Like, I played a lot of Xbox games. Okay.
You've had a pregnancy scare.
Yes, I have, but I have never been pregnant. But I have been like, oh my god, am I pregnant? Well, that's the last one.
That's it, done, finito.
Oh, I really hope I'm not pregnant.
God. I hope not too. Like, I'm not saying that I don't want kids, but right this time.
Oh my god, I'm actually sweating. I'm fully sweating.
I was only asking the questions, and I'm actually sweating buckets over it.
That was so fun.
Yeah, that was
really fun. Cool. Well, thanks for that. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you want me to do more videos like this, then let me know. But to be honest, I think I probably just answered most of the questions that people have been asking.
Quite well, to be honest, a lot of them were exactly the same, saying you want a baby, you want to marry Jane, you want to, like, you bought the house.
You didn't ask me if I wanted to marry you. Is that a proposal?
No. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't do it on camera and in your filming room.
No, that'd be
I'll
terrible.
do it somewhere so much better. Not saying that this ain't nice. Just saying.
Yeah, how rude. Disrespect. Right, yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you, Byron, for making this kind of little challenge thing. It was really fun. Thank you guys for asking, well, giving me all of your assumptions and stuff. So yeah, I'm not going to answer a question of the day because I've just answered so many questions, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks. This is my thumbnail pose.